Welcome to episode 5. Keep going to the same forest. Not as muddy as it used to be. Even though it did rain a lot yesterday night. So, yeah. Nice, so. Okay, this is even more weird. Because I'm hearing stuff in this creepy forest. Stuff that I never hear. Gotta go down our shoes. But that's later. So creepy. Come on, there's just people up there. It's okay. Thank goodness. Yeah, it's just people. I'm not gonna get a cry. That's scary. That's why you should always be careful. Okay, it's fine. Look what we found. Nice. Okay, so we're just bikers. We're fine. He was just being weird, to be honest. They were making those sounds with the bike. They went up there. We're still not going down there. All got shot down. So steep. This meant a lot to me. For every episode. No, it was only 5 episodes this season. But still, I gotta do what I gotta do for the best. This would be nice. But if I try to go down, I would have fell. Let's try to get over here. We made it. This straight up. Oh. If I jumped that way, I would fall. But if I jump this way, I won't fall. If I jump up this, I would probably fall. Because look how steep it is. So, yeah. And it did thunder on us too this morning. Earlier this morning. I'm not on the path, so don't feel like me that I'm not on the path. But we should go back down. Just to be safe. Oh, a bit. And yes, I am still in school. This was filmed on Tuesday, April 14th, at currently 6 p.m. or later. Be posted tomorrow, which is today, at 3 p.m. Like always. Which will help me get views. Hopefully good views. I don't know what this path leads me to, but I see something. And I want to try to get to it somehow. If it's not too muddy, I can't. Ooh, can I get to it? No. I can't. want this. Ooh, now we can finally get to it. Our mission was to get to this thing over here. Piece of, it's just a piece of metal. That's all. Ooh, up there though. Next time. But this is end of season 1. So thank you for watching. End of season 1. Just can't wait to season 2, which won't come out till July or August. Because I want to focus on work. Never been down here before. But yeah, so thank you all for watching every single episode, even this episode. Meant a lot to me. Thank you for the one comment I only got. Still means a lot, but not what I wanted. I wanted at least 2 comments. This is end of episode 5. It is coming to an end. So slippery. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe to go up and find a path too. But yeah. So that meant a lot to me. Found a path that I was trying to get to. I always film after I eat or before I eat. So I should always be careful when you bike. Yes, now this is going to be the end when I bike. And I meant earlier when I said bike, that's what I meant. I really mean walk. Like before the bike part, after the bike, before, I don't know. But whatever. As long as we made it alive. Was our goal. So yeah. Thank you all for watching season 1. All the episodes. And yeah. Can't wait for season 2. Peace.